Welcome back in the next video. Today, we will learn about the concat function in DuckDB, a super useful tool for combining text from different columns. If you want to format your query results better, stick around because this will be fun. First, I have a question what it is. What is concat? The concat function in DuckDB joins two or more text values together into a single output. Remember only the text or string values it joins. It's commonly used to merge columns in a readable way, like combining first and last names, product names with categories, or labels with prices. By default, concat does not add spaces or separators. You have to specify them manually. Think of it as gluing words together. First, we can try this function on our product table, and we can write this as select concat as function. We should write our product name column, and next we can take another column as any string column, like category we are taking from the product table. Let's run this query once. This query merges the product name and category column into one. However, there's no space between them, so the text may look jumbled. If your product is a laptop and its category is electronics, the result will be merged into one, as you can see in the result below. In the first column, laptop and electronics are together, but there is no space in it, which is not very readable. We can do some experiments with this query. We should using the product name and price column together. One column is string as the product name, and another one is price as a numeric column. Why not we write the query for that as select concat function? Then product name and price as next column from product. Let's see the results for it. You can see in results we have product name first, then price. And query is running fine for it. There are no errors in this query. We will see it again, why we are talking about the errors in it. First, we are making the output more readable by adding some letters or spaces in between, so we can differentiate two words between product name and price. So we can add another string between two columns. You can see now the concat function is concat, and now it has three columns. Product name and price come from product table, but we are also adding a constant value between these two column names. We can have as many as string columns or values into it if we want. Let's run this query one more time to see the difference. If the product is laptop and the price is some numeric value, then the result will be laptop symbol then numeric value. Next, we can try adding some words in this. For this, we can add query as select concat, then the first column as product name, then next as new some random word. We are taking as cost last. We can add price from product. So this time are adding a new word in between. You can change the word if you want. Let's run this query once. You can see in the results. We have cost keyword added. In between laptop and price, you can check the new word in both the column values. We have a question. Why use concat? Concat makes data readable and useful for reports, labels, and messages. Next is to save time, format output directly in SQL instead of in your application. And next for super useful in e-commerce and reporting. Combine product, names, prices, categories, or descriptions efficiently. That's all we have in this video. I hope you have learned something new today. Let's see in the next video.